गई यूं नजर के सामने जैसे निकल आया घटा से चांद.
Hello and welcome to MTD CNC India. Today we are here at Phillips Machine Tool Pune with an expert on Haas machines and from whom we are going to learn a lot about today. My friend Vishal, who has a more experience of more than a decade, and he is going to teach us about Haas machine. Thank
Hey,
you, Vishal.
thanks.
Thank you for inviting us here.
Thank you, Ashutosh. It's really a pleasure to be with MTD. And let's talk about the machine, what you wanted to learn. Yeah.
So, Vishal, we are standing in front of VM2. Kindly tell us more about VM2. What are the application? What is this machine all about?
Okay. As the name suggests, if you see Ashutosh, the VM2 is a vertical mold machine. Basically, the customer, those who want to do the molding jobs, die and mold jobs, where they want a very higher accuracy, much more better finish. So normally we suggest customers to go with a VM2 machine. That is the specialty of a VM2 machine. Yeah.
Okay. What are the USP of this machine? Some software are already included, right? And you were telling me RPM is high. What is that all about?
Yes. As you rightly said, because this VM2 machine comes with a complete total package. If you see, it has got a standard 12,000 RPM. It has got a chip auger, which is already standard in it. It comes with a 30-tool ATC. It comes with a multi-fixturing table, so you have got a slot on X and Y on both the side. Then it has got macros, it has got spindle orientation in it, it has got automatic air gun in it, it has got high-speed machining, it has got 1 GB memory, it has got Ethernet. It's a complete package machine. The people, those who want to do excellent mold and die jobs, so VM2 will be the right choice for them.
Wow. So
Yeah.
many specifications, right?
Yes, yes,
So
Ashutosh.
it's a
Yeah.
good package overall.
Yeah.
So tell us, you told me that Haas has a very huge product range. So what is your best-selling model in Haas range?
Uh, Apart than VM2, because VM2s are definitely used in more dies and molds and where you want accurate jobs, but there are many models what Haas manufactures. Like we have got VF series, that is a VF2, that is the most sellable model here in the Indian continent. If you see VF2s, then there are turn mill centers that we normally manufacture. Then we have got 5-axis, that is UMC we normally get manufacture. We have got horizontal machining center. We have got drill tap center. We have got die mold machines. Then we have got tool room mill machines. We have got mini mill machines. So we have got a lot of product that definitely can help the customers, those who want to have a specific type of jobs which had to be done.
You know, I've been traveling across India and I've seen a lot of machine shops and a lot of Haas installations are there.
Right.
So can you tell our audience how many installations are there in India itself?
In India itself, I think so we have got 15,000 installations already machine installed here in India. So that is what the faith what the Indian customers have got, which they have on us, and that's the reason why we had been growing.
15,000 is a huge number, man. Congratulations for that.
Thank
How do you support your customers for such a huge installation base?
Yes, basically Haas is definitely a very better product as compared to any other product in the market. But the main, if you see the USP of Haas and then selling of the Haas, that is a Phillips backup support that we normally give you. We have got 11 centers over here. We have got a tech centers over here. We have got 350 plus employee already over here. So we have got 360-degree support. That is, if you want support of the sales, if you want of service, if you want of application support, if you want spare parts, and then definitely the better quality of jobs and the better quality of support with the 360-degree Philips, definitely you can bank on us.
Definitely, definitely. I hope so. And while talking to you, I was thinking that because technologies are changing, business is changing very fast.
Okay.
So, for example, a customer whose requirement has changed, now he want to convert his 3-axis machine to 4 or 5-axis. Can he do that? Can he do the retrofitting, something like that?
Yes, Ashutosh, definitely it can be done easily because the 4th axis, 5th axis can be installed along with the machine, or after down the line, after 4 years, 5 years or 10 years also, it can be easily done. It can be easily retrofitted.
That's beautiful. That's
Yes.
beautiful. So you are doing everything for your customer. You are doing retrofitting. You are giving 24/7 support to your customers.
Right.
Such a huge team. I'm sure customers here who are looking at us are definitely going to order your machines for sure.
नहीं,
So
नहीं,
how do they reach out to you if they want to buy a Haas machine?
Ani, first of all, I would like to thank all our customers because it's only because of you all we had been growing so much. It's only because of all your support. It's only because of your trust that we had been able to sell so many Haas machines here in India. Definitely, you can find us on Google. You can find us on LinkedIn. You can find us on Twitter. You can find us on Insta. And definitely, you can just go on www.phillipscorp.com. Think of machine tool, think Philips.
Awesome. That was a great tagline.
Thank
All
you.
the best to you, Vishal.
Thanks,
Thank you.
thanks a lot. Yeah.